All right, boys and girls, children of all ages. This is a quickie. We've got Fed rate hike today. That's what we're going to keep our eye on. So watch the market short term. You know me, conservative Dave. I'm probably going to just watch. Something's got to be really sweet for me to get involved today. So Bitcoin bullish above this line. Looks like it could be putting in a trend reversal. We'd like to see a higher low right here, and then we could have a good move up. Looking for that 29,300 mark. So just watch that, man. You get a nice little tail like a hammer over here, and we're well on our way. We could be looking for that. And gold. You got this inverted head and shoulders. Looks like it's creeping its way up there, just kind of hanging out. We want to see a break out of that inverted head and shoulders. I'm sorry, that was oil. We want a break of that inverted head and shoulders, right? Oil. And then we have gold over here. And we got a bull flag building on the weeklies on gold, so we're going to watch that flag. And let's take a look at the dailies. Dailies, it looks like it could be building an inverted head and shoulders. So we'll keep our eye on that. Possible inverted head and shoulders. So we're neutral on that gold, that there gold. And then bonds. Think. So bonds daily on an uptrend. Looks like the momentum might be flattening. I mean, you can't really call anything. Today's the big day for bonds, so we're just gonna watch it. Gonna watch it. And now for the SPX. SPX. So here on the 240s, which it was in an uptrend, we had this head and shoulders that we were watching. It broke. Boom. That's where the money was made yesterday. If anybody got involved in that, you might have been able to take it on a lower time frame on a last kiss. So that's it. It broke. It's retracing. We might even call that a last kiss. Looks like momentum is fading down. Let's look at it on the daily. And all of this doesn't really matter. Because why? Feds. You got a flag that triggered and failed. Yeah, it's just going into consolidation. There's nothing exciting. I'm just going to watch it, see if something develops. Feds. What more could I say? Actually, there's really nothing more I could say. But thanks for hanging in the whole video. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Hey, watch it early, watch it often. Everybody just be calm and cool. Remember that knowing when not to trade is all a part of trading, and good luck with your trades today.